Hello, it's Pascal. I am with my wife, Joyce. We are now somewhere up in Upper Pinget, right? And we stopped here first. We want to show you because here we have a view of Baguio that is pretty good. So here,
You can see everything.
look at that. We're on a high point.
So the fog is starting to cover it. So
Yeah.
you need to see it, guys.
Maybe if we arrive here 5 minutes later, we don't see that much anymore because here the clouds are starting to enter. You see a big roof there. That's a big barangay or school roofing.
At least we're showing the maybe half of Baguio, the full
Yeah.
Baguio part.
The most
There's
condensed
many
part,
yet
I
on
guess.
that part.
There's some hill also that are very fill, like how we call Quirino Hill, like that we cannot see from here.
Quirino Hill is this one.
Yeah, more on that side that I cannot show
On the
you.
part.
But we see most of Baguio. The center is here.
How many millions?
It's not in millions. We are a little bit under half of million if we include like Baguio and like everything that surround Baguio.
So
And
yeah.
what else I can add to Baguio? Baguio, it's like a big bowl mostly. It's like it's a hole a bit deeper here down, and everything is surrounded by mountains. So mostly we were living in the bowl. So it's also a protection. If a typhoon come here, those mountains protect Baguio. So
For
that's
other
good.
people, maybe they think that it's hard to build a house
Yeah.
here, but actually we will show you example or show them how they build house. They build it higher. They build it
With levels.
with levels.
Yeah.
So in lowlands, they build only one.
It's mostly everywhere outside of some old houses. It's mostly also with concrete more now.
Yeah, with concrete.
But if we go in the older part of Baguio, we can see for sure many that have wood. They maintain it, and it's fine. They last long still. But really, it's more a place with concrete building compared to
It's mostly
lowland. Maybe they
concrete,
use a
yeah.
bit more wood. And I guess the good part of it is it's also built solid. And now they're building multiple level. People are a bit, I would say, less owner now that it's compact. They become more like renting, you know. So what happened is they build solid with concrete. They build higher, and I guess if there's an earthquake, I was losing my words. If there's an earthquake, I guess we're fine here. Most of the building will survive because it's built solid. But you will see if somebody have a contractor that cut corners after the big earthquake, like the one that Joyce lived in the 80s. I guess we will see who did it wrong. So I guess that's it for the
You make
view.
a turn around like that.
Okay, so we're now like in the place that it's a first year project here. So on that part, it's really like they bring some, they move the soil, but they will build something. I guess it will be maybe something big. I don't know if it's a what kind of business that will be here, but it's a calm spot.
So here also the government spare some of parts of Baguio to not put house.
Yeah.
So we call that reserve, water reserve. So actually
Okay.
this one down is a water reserve. There's no house here. There's a part here that they don't let people construct a house because it's
The
for
water
a water reserve.
Pass there, and if they
There are some here.
if they don't
As you can
protect it,
see.
people here will have no more water.
Yeah,
so they
so-
need to. So that's why you when you're in town, you look at Pinget. There is like a green line that is perfect. I guess it will not change. It will stay like that, and they will save the water passing.
Yeah, there also you can see that is John Hay, I'm sure, and it's reserve.
Camp John Hay, yeah. So
yes.
there's a big green spot there
So
also.
there is also some
There's many.
They will not, and here we are not allowed to just cut a tree.
And then
They need,
another thing is if you have a pine tree around your even on your land that you own, I guess there is a way to proceed because you cannot cut a pine tree as you want here. They're preserved. Baguio is city of pine trees, so they need to protect them because if it's free for all, it will not be for long that there will not be any more pine trees around. So now maybe we'll take a walk. We'll go take a look a bit more on how it is inside Pinget. Pinget is a place that is very dense. We cannot see everything inside because It's really like, I call that beaver trail. So you have the main roads, you see a part of it, but it's only a small part of Pinget that you can see, because everybody need to take like a secondary line that mostly you cannot go with a car. You need to walk there. Even moto sometimes they cannot. So let's have a look there. We're now inside Pinget, so let's see how it is. Upper Pinget, yeah, not only Pinget, Upper Pinget. So let's see how it is here. Joyce was living here before. Both of her brother also live here before. Now only one still live here, but
Welcome to my vlog.
hello. So we're at the one of the core place of Pinget here, the jeepney line.
It's only full of jeepney.
I guess they don't go more upper than here.
Well, they go, but this is the line for jeepney for people to go to
In town. It will be loud, right, a bit. Okay, we're good.
That's good. Yeah, that's right.
We have some store, let's see here. Oh, the sari.
Go down.
Yeah, we continue.
This is the first to go.
So okay, yeah. All those Jeep here waiting. They make the line, so they wait for their turn, so that's how it works. Hello. See, people have no problem if we film. There is some camera shy, but many like it. We'll pass here, it will be good. So it only takes one vehicle sometimes to park on the side, and then it's hard to pass both ways. Everything here is built a bit compact.
As you can see,
Oh my gosh.
they're all built not only first floor, second, third, and fourth. It's like those ones.
Yeah, it can go up to 5 easy. So it's not visible here, but it goes down and then it goes up a lot. But on video, sometimes the inclination look less than it is. This one is pretty good looking house. Let's see here, what is that store? Chicken. Yeah, they're selling chicken here. How much is the eggs?
Go on the other side.
Another one like that going down a lot. There's a water passage there for sure also. And then you need to gas very strong to go up. So I guess that's it for Pinget. Okay, so that's that's Upper Pinget. Thank you. Bye bye. Last thing here, I want to buy something also. We're on a grocery of Pinget. We'll get the bread. You want anything else here? Yeah? Okay, we'll buy a bread and a mamon. This will be for my son. Then maybe a drink. Is there a ref here? I have Pepsi, so